Good morning, my dear cuties. This is Viji. Here you are watching Class 1 Math online video session. In our math subject, we are learning subtraction concept. Subtraction na kalital. And in previous class, we have learned 2-digit with 2-digit subtraction. Before revising that, let us check the answer key for page numbers 126 and 127. Today, we are going to write the classwork for double-digit subtraction. That means 2-digit subtraction. Before writing classwork, let us revise this concept with one example. See the sum 99 minus 42. Here both are 2 digits. So as usual, mention the place value. We have to start the subtraction from ones place. Here 9 and 2 are the ones place numbers. The first step of subtraction is comparing the numbers. Here first number 9 is bigger than second number 2. So we can do this subtraction. Let us do by mind method. First keep small number, that means second number 2 in our mind. Take 0 fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we reach the first number 9. So we stopped our counting. Now we can count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the difference between 9 and 2 is 7. Next, see the tens place. We have two numbers in tens place. They are 9 and 4. When we are comparing these numbers, first number is bigger than second number. So we can do this subtraction. As usual, keep small number 4 in your mind. Take 0 fingers, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 9 minus 4 answer is 5. The difference between 99 and 42 is 57. Children, I hope you are all clear in this concept. So let us write classwork for this. Children, take a math classwork note. In that, take a next fresh page and write the page number 18. Then write today's date also. Then write the given topic on the top line. SUBTRACT, subtract. Then write in the bracket VER, ver, TICAL, tickle, vertical, WAY, way, subtract in vertical way. After writing the topic, leave 2 lines, write number 1 in the margin. Then leave 1 box, write the sum 24 minus 12. Here both are 2 digits. So mention the place value as like this. Now we can start our subtraction. As usual, we have to start our subtraction from ones place. Here 4 and 2 are the ones place numbers. First step of subtraction is comparing the numbers. Here first number is bigger than second number. So we can do our subtraction. For mind method subtraction, we must keep small number in our mind. Here second number 2 is the small number. So keep 2 in your mind. Take 0 fingers. 2 after, 3, 4. Now how many fingers we can see here, children? Yes, 2 fingers. So the answer for 4 minus 2 is 2. Mention it in a ones place answer column like this. Next see the tens place. 2 and 1 are the tens place numbers. Here we are going to use finger method because here both are small numbers. So for finger method, first we need to keep bigger number 2 as a finger. And now look at the second number. Second number is 1. So let us cut 1 finger from this 2. Now how many fingers are remaining, children? Yes, 1. So the 2 minus 1 answer is 1. So the difference between 24 and 12 is 12. Children, ma'am inga finger method use பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஏனா tens placeல small numbers தான் இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருந்தா நீங்க mind method follow பண்ணிக்கலாம். After completing first sum, leave 3 boxes and draw the line in between like this. Straight to the first question, write number 2 in the margin. Then leave 1 box, write the sum 37 minus 13. Here both are 2 digits and we have written these in vertical way. So mention the place value as like this. Now we can start our subtraction from ones place. Here 7 and 3 are the ones place numbers. If we subtract 7 and 3, we'll get the answer as 4. Children, use mind method subtraction and check my answer whether it is right or wrong. Next see the tens place. We have 3 and 1 in tens place. If we subtract 3 and 1, we'll get the answer as 2. Cuties, ma'am oda answer correct ஆங்கறத check பண்ணுங்க. So the difference between 37 and 13 is 24. Children, I have completed first 2 sums. You are going to find the answer for remaining 4 sums. Now I am going to read remaining 4 sums. Copy as it is in your class work note and find the answer for that. First question below, leave 2 lines, write number 3 in the margin. Write the sum 59 minus 26. Mention the place value also. Then straight to the third question, write number 4 in the margin. Write the sum 85 minus 55. Don't forget to mention the place value. Then below the third question, leave 2 lines, write number 5 on the margin. Write the sum 63 minus 20. Mention the place value of tens and ones above the number 63. Then straight to the fifth question, write the question number 6 in the margin. Write the sum 96 minus 21. As usual, mention the place value also. So cuties, you are going to find the answer for question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Today, you are going to write only 6 sums in your math class or note. So write neatly on your own with the help of your mom. Children, with this class work, you are going to complete one exercise in your math book. Cuties, take a math book. In that, take page number 132. See the exercise number 12. Subtract. Here also, you are going to do same 2-digit with 2-digit number subtraction which we did in a class work note. Children, class work la panna same 2-digit and 2-digit number subtraction da book exercise layum panna poringa. So, same concept use பண்ணி sum number A ல இருந்து sum number L வரைக்கும் complete பண்ணிருங்க. Children, already subtractionல நிறைய practice sums பண்றதுனால உங்களுக்கு இந்த sums பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So, மம்மியை டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாம நீங்க தான் எல்லா sumsக்கான ஆன்சரையும் find பண்ணணும். So, cuties, without disturbing your mom, you have to complete all the sums by your own. After completing all the sums, ask your mom to check only the answers. எல்லா சம்ஸும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் மம்மியை ஆன்சர்ஸ் கரெக்டாங்கிறத மட்டும்தான் நீங்கள் செக் பண்ண சொல்லணும். Then ask your mom to take a photocopy of class work 1 page and book page number 132. Then ask your mom to send it to this mail ID. Dear parents, kindly send the clear photocopy to this mail ID. Parents, ஒரு சில காப்பீஸ் கிளியர் இல்லாமல் இருக்குது. ஸோ கிளியரான ஃபோட்டோ காப்பியை தயவு செய்து அனுப்புங்க. Children, today's video session is over. Let us meet in another session. Children, stay safe at your home. Try to avoid going outside. Whenever you are going outside, wear mask and use sanitizer to wash your hands always. குட்டீஸ், சேஃபாக இருங்க. எங்கே போனாலும் மாஸ்க் போட மறக்காதீங்க. அண்ட் வெளியில் போயிட்டு வந்தோடனையும் சானிடைசர் யூஸ் பண்ண மறக்காதீங்க. அண்ட் மெயின்டைன் சோசியல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. Be happy and stay healthy and safe, children. Thank you, cuties. I'll meet you in next video. Bye.